Now for our final part of, well, our second part of the tutorial, and that is setting up the shape keys. So what you want to do is what I'm gonna display on the screen right now is the format of the shape keys. We'll have the eyes first, the mouth, and that's it. Because the rig is already set up for the eyebrows and the other stuff, like if you want to do expressions. The main thing is that you want to have that easier way to animate and mount, add eyes with a face panel. That's what I'm trying to show you guys in this tutorial, basically. And yeah, so now what you want to do is have like a reference for the mount, so you know which each shape, or you could just do it with your own mount and you'll know how to do it, like do each shape form of the mount. So now what you will do is just get a basic it's kind of spiraling a little bit, so you just bring this down a little bit. And yeah, so this is the first blend shape. Let's fix that. Okay, so we can manually fix that on mesh like this. Later on we could go back into the shape key and fix the problem. But what we're gonna do here is right click on this. This is the rig. We right click on this and save as shape key. So now if we click on the shape key and we set all the values, eyes back open. Now we go to the face itself, click on this and name it eyes closed. My caps is on just now, eyes closed. Just name it that, and yeah, see, you get the blend shape. Now I want to hide the rig. I will do this, and what I'm going to do is mix from shape, and I'll do this and name this eye moves left. Do it again. And name this one eye moves right. Now what you're gonna do is click on this, select the side of the face, we go to vertex, blend from shape, we open up the panel, and what we want to do is disable add, because add will just add on the thing with the shape key. So disable add, and we have the shape key, so we only blink on the left. And for the right, what we're going to do now is apply the same thing for the right and do the same process, blend from shape, and yeah, so now we have blinking left and blinking right. Start with, we're going to add a shape key, name this vowel. Everything under that will be vowels. So any shape key that comes under this will be for the vowels. We enable back the rig, and now we start with A. So we go A. So we move the mouth a little bit like this, open it up. You'll see like, okay, so the problem here is that my outline is probably too thick. Yeah, my outline is too thick. Yep, that fixed the problem. I just take off the outline until I'm done. So we go back to the pose, go A. So you have to fix the mouth a little bit here. And this will be the A pose. Just for the teeth, we just open up the mouth, the teeth, and put this back in front. So we just pull down the teeth. As for the tongue, okay, this teeth is clipping into the tongue, so we just we just select the panel here, bring it up a little bit, not too much that it comes out the face. A, so that's the A pose. And now we click on this, create shape key. So now we repeat the process for the other shape keys until we are done. So that's fast the process. And don't forget to put it back in default. Alright, so what I noticed too, I forgot to show you guys something. I literally forgot this one important step. And you want to know what it was? You want to know? It's to join the mesh back together. Yep, I forgot. Basically, what you have to do is just, oh my days, I can't believe I forgot that, but it's okay. You could just join everything. So we join it like this. So all the shape keys, so what you will see here, the A pose is normal. I have no complaint about that. But now what we're gonna do is go on to the rig and we'll go back to what we used to do. So back to E. So yeah, the shape for E. Have the mouth like this. Open out the mouth. And have the teeth up. I actually forgot that part, bro. Like, it's actually really important to do that because the blend shapes will apply to everything. So we have E, so this will be the blend shape for E. So now we click on this, create the shape key. So now if we do this, it will be A. Okay, I don't know why everything came out the mouth there. That was so weird. But we'll just, you know what, we'll leave the teeth. We didn't scale the teeth. We use the, yeah, I don't know why I didn't use this. On the sides, it have these bones. Like if you want to make the mouth wider, I don't know why I didn't use that. I just scaled it. Like that bit, like these things exist. Come on, man. Alright, so yeah, this is the E pose. E. Now we have E, make the shape key, and now basically, so this is C. And now we go to I. Okay, the mouth will be in a little bit more far. What you do? Pose. Put the mouth a little bit in. Open it. I. The upper teeth will come down a little bit and go to the room. Actually, hold on, it's not more in, it's more out. I made a mistake, it's more out. That's what I said before. Okay, so this is our eyebrows. Set all the default and oh, this is gonna take long, bro. Okay, O and U. O and U is simple. I can basically use O for U and so on. So You start with O, make a O shape with all the shapes here. O, O. This is actually perfect for the O, right? I don't need to do that much tweaking. This is O here. Save this. Make this O. U. The mouth will block a little bit, so we have to pluck the lips a little bit. Not in this mode. Sorry about that. But in this mode, gonna block it a little bit up forward. The U. Oh, I noticed. Okay. U. And the teeth. The upper teeth will be closer to the U. It will be U. Alright. And now we'll make a shapekey from this. Click that shapekey. And now what we're going to do is reset the rig. So everything is normal. And now let's hide the rig to see the results. We have, okay, so we name this U. For it to get U. Everything organized. A, E, I, O, U. Good. Now we're gonna do the phonics. We're doing the phonics right now. So the phonics will be s, sh, and l. All right. So now we need these because it makes it natural for when you're talking. Instead of this is just basic lip syncs, because in lip syncing, when you're lip syncing, you only really, in animating, you only really see the vowels. You only see like the vowels really accentuated more than the phonics. But it's good to have the phonics because it also helps with animating complex talking. Like if you're talking, like if I'm talking a lot right here, animating it is really hard, basically with the rig. But when you add shapekeys and drivers and a face panel, it makes it easier for you to animate that section, and it's fasten up your process, which is fun. Yeah. Oh, this wasn't that hard. Okay, I thought it would have been very hard because before when I did this, it was really hard to do it. But it's just positioning, apparently. All right, that's all the blend shapes, and now we go to the last part of the tutorial. Once I show you all the blend shapes, look, let's show you all the blend shapes. Let's turn this on. I, U, M, A, R, S, J, Sh, Sh, F, L, T. Alright. We have all the phonics and the vowels that is important for speech. And now we're going to the last part of the tutorial, which is making the face panel and the shape keys.